So here we have the latest controller. This is a Nook that it's a Celeron PC which communicates through this 1 gigabit link with the SuperTracker. This SuperTracker is further connected to a USB 8 port serial interface, and then the SuperTracker is then connected to the I/O box, the usual I/O box, and here to the shaft encoder, which I am simulating here with a pulse generator. So we put this on the what I say the 80% job, which is here as 2 track outs and 1 sync point, 1 inkjet, that one serial inkjet, and yeah, I'm running 180,000 an hour with a little PC, and it is at 8%, 6%. So we just need a little tiny PC, and we have a very powerful controller.